Time to talk winners and losers with our financial expert, Rob Black. Hi there, Rob.
Hey, Daria, how are you this morning?
Well, I'm fine, but is the sky falling? I mean, Bitcoin is diving, Wall Street is diving. Yeah. You'll tell me, right? If it's falling.
2022 is not looking great. And it's looking, we have to wait. There's a big moment coming up on Wednesday, the CPI, the consumer price inflation. Essentially, prices are up 8.5% year over year, and our wages are up 5.6%. So even though we have jobs, we're still losing purchasing power. Wall Street hates that because it means we'll buy less for more in the future. Year to date, NASDAQ's down 22%. The S&P 500 is down 13%. The S&P realistically could go down 30%. 13% is a normal year. So we're still at normal, even though you ask, is the sky falling? The question is, do we go down 30, which is once every 4 years? And that's looking more and more likely. We're not getting enough volatility. People aren't giving up. People aren't quitting. In some areas they are, like companies that aren't earning money, but in other areas it's kind of a bring down the valuation. So that's, kind of a thought. And I think Uber says it well today. As we start interviewing people, we're going to let them know that work is a privilege. So the dynamic is shifting a little bit from the employee back to the employer.
No, wait, what do you mean by that? Because actually, I thought it was, we need workers, and workers were in control. We were in the driving seat right now, and you're saying, Uber's saying, no, it's a privilege. You're lucky if you get this job, but don't they need a million workers?
There's going to be a weird teeter-totter, and let me give you some thoughts on that one.
Okay.
We all know people who quit their jobs last year to become day traders of Bitcoin or stocks. I lost a good friendship of a female who was a single mother, and she's like, I'm just like you. I buy and sell stocks now for a living. I'm like, that doesn't sound good. So we need to shake those people out who think that it's easy. And that's exactly what the market's doing at this point in time. It always feels worse than it is. Again, historically, we are exactly a normal year. It just feels abnormal because we haven't had a normal year in roughly 10 years where we get, bull markets turn into bear markets and corrections are more than 5%.
Right. Okay. What about Bitcoin, though? Are you as calm on that because it's sliding?
I don't own any Bitcoin. I'm in the Warren Buffett camp of it seems too speculative. If I did, I would own less than 5% of my worth, but you can't really sell it to someone. You can't short it. So all it is people are accumulating. Your daughter buys it and she hopes I buy it from her and I hope you buy it from me. That's a bit of a problem until you can kind of go both ways on the trade. It's just not a market. It's just an accumulate and hope it goes higher. But today it broke down to 32,500. That now puts it down over 55% from its all-time high. That's brutal. But again, it's a lot of people. I know people who, have Instagram accounts like, Bitcoin's going to make me a millionaire. It's not that easy. And if it was that easy, then everyone would be doing it and wearing roller skates to work all day. So the next level of support's about 11,000 on Bitcoin. If you take a look at the chart, it went from 11,000 to basically 68,000 and had some stops around the 40 level and the 32,000 level. That's where we are now. So if it goes below 32, I could easily see it go to 12,000. Do I want it to? Nope.
All right.
But all the altcoins like Ether and the memes ones like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin all are getting hit. Institutions don't really own it. So the people that own Bitcoin are largely, but there's some institutions, but largely retail investors. And they're not the most reliable hands when things get tough. They tend to jump ship. But we got to get that volatility so high that everyone thinks everything's going to zero.
Well,
we're not there yet.
To bring back your roller skating, which I don't know if you're any good at it, but you know how I stop? Hitting the wall. So let's hope it doesn't end. It doesn't end like that. Doctor Strange made a ton of money, and the people that I would not see this movie because it's too much action. But the people that I know who have seen it, they were.
I don't get it. He's not one of those superheroes I get, but Marvel's super happy to have him. Dr. Strangelove, because they had some duds over COVID, like Black Widow and the Eternals. But now they've got Spider-Man, and now Multiverse of Madness is better than the Metaverse of Madness in Mark Zuckerberg's world. The multiverse is much better in Marvel. 185 million people. No, not a million. $185 million. So that's about 11.5 million. A little less than Spider-Man, but still a pretty good number 2 for 2022. But listen to the slate of lineup movies coming up. And this is a good thing, Daria. We're spending money. We're still going on vacation. We're still okay. And the market's doing its thing. But next weekend we get Top Gun, then we get Jurassic World, then we get Lightyear, then we get Minions, then we get Thor, all in the next 6 weeks. Wow. It's going to be an exciting movie lineup. And again, testing COVID and testing people's resilience to get back into large crowds. So I'm looking forward to it.
Top
Should be a
Gun,
good
I'll
summer
see.
of movies.
All right. Yeah, you got me on Top Gun. All right. Thanks a lot, Rob. If
Take
you
my
would
breath
like
away.
to, yeah, that's always a good one. If you'd like to email Rob, you can. If you want to share some of your favorite movie tunes, Take My Breath Away, Facebook or Twitter, you can reach him that way too. We'll be right back.